Hello parents, this is Mr. Vasquez, principal at Jefferson Elementary. I am creating this short tutorial video on how to retrieve your PIN and password if you have forgotten. So the first step you need to do is to go to this website, which is the https://parentconnect.cnusd.k12.ca.us. That's his website right here. You see it on the screen. Once you go on here, the first step you're going to have to do is click right here where it says need your login information. When you click here, it's going to take you to a new page where you need to input your email. This is the email that you have on file here in the school system. So make sure you click that. Once you put your email address, click submit. Then go check your personal email account, which might be Yahoo, Gmail, or whatever other service you use. And you're going to look for a message from Parent Connection. Once you go into that email, it's going to be giving you your PIN number and a new temporary password. One of the things that we find is that a lot of our parents cannot get in with a new password because they don't copy the passwords correctly. It is case sensitive, and most of the time our passwords have capitals and our parents put in lowercase. So make sure you copy it correctly, and if you see capitals, please use capitals. So write that down. Then once you write that down, you're going to go back to parentconnect.cnusd, etc. You're going to put in your child's PIN number, your PIN number and the new password that you got, the temporary one. You go ahead and put that information in there, click on login, and right away it's going to ask you for a new password. So make sure you put in a new password, write it twice when you confirm it. Write this information down on a piece of paper so you don't forget it or somehow keep track of that. Once you put in the two passwords, you click submit. And once you click submit, it'll say updated, and then just click back and you'll be inside the system. And in here, you'll see your children and you'll see where it says advisor. Basically, that will be the teacher that your child will be assigned to. This is also where you go when you want to update information on your students' and emergency cards, excuse me. And so just go ahead and log in. This is important to do and keep records up to date. Thank you very much and have a good day.